I think what was most important to the selection committee was having someone that would bring the university together and the community together in terms of proceeding and moving forward for the university as a whole. So definitely someone that's going to be inclusive, someone that's going to be happy to talk to everyone and get a lot of input with respect to the future of the university.
So the committee actually took quite a bit of time to establish a set of the main criteria. We wanted someone who was a very good scholar in their own field and had extensive experience in administration, leadership at different levels within the university, and someone who had a perspective across the whole university.
I think that Dr. J.S. stood out as a candidate for a number of reasons. I mean, first of all, he's an officer of the Order of Canada, which clearly speaks to his character and to his experience. Secondly, he of course, has great background in research and, as a matter of fact, sits on some national granting boards. And finally, I think he won over the committee purely from the perspective of being a genuinely nice person that really is looking to help the university move forward.
I observed him, to be connected very closely to the communities that he worked with, But I believe that he's got the strength, he's got the knowledge, he's got the education to bring together a team of highly professional people that's going to lead the university today and then into tomorrow.
Dr. J.S. is very committed to students, understanding that graduate and undergraduate students are very different, and that the student experience is based in opportunities, being able to create opportunities to learn outside of the classroom, to complement our education that we offer here at the university, and being able to produce graduates that are very well-rounded and very well-respected in their fields.
He's been a CRC Tier 1 Research Chair, which is an amazing achievement. But he's also sat on boards internationally and across the country in a wide variety of areas, not just his own research field. And he was instrumental in part of the Truth and Reconciliation Commission and being very much involved in that. So he really is somebody who does what needs to be done and strongly believes in putting his time and efforts into the things that universities should be leading on.
I think he's shown great courage and ability in confronting challenges in his prior positions. He's been able to turn around difficult financial situations and at the same time create new programming that's very successful. And I think he brings a leadership style that's exactly what we need. He's open, he's collaborative, and he's personally engaged.
I am excited for Dr. J.S. to join our University of Lethbridge community because he brings a lot of fresh insights, a lot of new ideas, and new approaches to solve some very complex issues that I'm looking forward to seeing in action on our campus.
And I really believe that he's going to provide a new breadth, a new perspective, and lead us into the next 10 years of growth and development for the University of Lethbridge.
He has set the bar so very high in a way that I really think will challenge us to meet where he thinks we can be. And I feel like we need that challenge at the moment. I think we're ready for it. And it's at a time where we are prepared to go to this next level. He's somebody who cares about people, who cares about those relationships, but he'll push us, and I think that's what we need right now.
Well, I'm excited that Dr. J.S. is joining the university community just because I see him as a person that can bring the university together. I see his success in the past simply rubbing off on the university going forward.